So we now discuss implementation of TQM. In the implementation of TQM, this is a chart. In this chart, there have a plan, do, check, and act. Plan, do, check, and act. In there have a plan, we covered policies and objectives, method to achieve objectives, then educational and training, and then do for implementation of change. यानी प्लान में आएगा policies and objectives, methods of achieve the objectives, and do में आएगा education and training, implementation to change. फिर then now check में हम observe result, analyze result, then act में prevent undesired effect and measure of improvement. इन तरफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की बात करते हैं तो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ टीक्यूएम इज नॉट अ इजी टास्क एज इट रिक्वायर्स अ टोटल चेंज इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कल्चर. यहाँ बात की जा रही है टोटल चेंज इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कल्चर, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मैनेजमेंट and continuous participation of all in quality improvement process. W.E. Deming, father of TQM, has suggested plan, do, check, act style. प्लान डू चेक एक्ट स्टाइल, जिसमें कि प्लान के बारे में बात की गई, जिसमें कि पॉलिसी और ऑब्जेक्टिव, methods of objectives, method to achieve objective, and educational and training implementation of change. In short form, we write down now PDCA. This is the short form PDCA. Plan, do, check, act. PDCA. Plan, do, check, and act. Lay down policies and objectives of TQM. Determine what the customer is supposed to receive and what they are actually receiving. And second is the chalk out the methods to achieve TQM objectives. And third one is educate and train worker and managers to understand and meet the requirements of TQM. Fourth is important point, that is your start the operations of TQM by introducing new product, materials, machines, and procedures. And fifth is here that observe results of operations and find out the causes of non-conformance to quality standards. And sixth one is your analyze the result and determine consequence of non-conformance and place the report before the top management. Seventh point is that prevent undesired effect in quality improvement, stabilize personal relationship with employees so that they can voice their concerns and ideas, and also that suggest measures for improvement of methods and design in future. These are the 8 points in implementation of TQM. इन फर्स्ट ये बात की गई कि ले डाउन पॉलिसी और ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ TQM, जिसमें कि हम डिटरमाइन करते हैं कि कस्टमर क्या सपोज कर रहा है, क्या सपोज टू रिसीव एंड व्हाट दे एक्चुअली रिसीविंग, और चेक आउट द मेथड्स ऑफ अचीव TQM ऑब्जेक्टिव, एजुकेट करना ट्रेन वर्कर और मैनेजर्स को कि वो अंडरस्टैंड कर सके मीट द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ TQM, and also start the operation of TQM by introducing a new product, material, machines, and procedure, and observe result of operation और find out the जो causes हैं non conformance हैं quality standards की, and also analyze results and determine the consequence of non conformance and place the report before the top management. And seventh जो यहाँ बात की गई है कि prevent undesired effects of quality improvement, stabilize personal relationship with employees so that they can voice their concern and ideas. suggest measure for improvement of methods and design in future. These are the implementation of GQM.